Y'all ever hear something in the back and like, but it's like that shit's so far away from your room or something, like, but you still hear that shit, and you just be like, "What the fuck is that?" Like you just be like, "What the fuck?" Like I know I don't get all that nigga tripping. No, I don't be all these niggas tripping off that shit. Be like, nigga, you hear a sound from the distance, nigga, and you just be like, "What the fuck is that sound?" Like thinking a nigga, thinking a nigga just broke into that motherfucker. Nigga up in the house with you. Sound like the nigga close.